Plaintiff Lilia Castro is suing her former friend, defendant Brenda Oregon, for the cost of a camera that Lilia put in her name for Brenda. Brenda admits that Lilia bought a camera for her, but says it was a gift for Brenda's birthday.
It's Lilia?
Yes, correct.
Pretty name. Lilia Castro is suing Brenda Oregon for the cost of a camera. All right, Lilia, tell us why you're suing the defendant.
Hi, Your Honor.
Hi.
I met Brenda in February 2008. We became co-workers and good friends.
Where'd you work?
It's called Specialty Coding.
Okay.
I was a temp there. I believe she's been working there for a while. We became good friends, and we started hanging out. And her birthday was coming up in May. I believe her birthday was on May 2nd. May 1st, I had talked to her about a store where you could purchase things with credit. So I took her to the store. They run her credit. She was not approved, so she liked this camera she's seen. So she asked me if I could please take it out for her with my credit, which I agreed, long as she paid payments on time.
Wait. How long had you known her before you decided to do this?
Maybe about, I believe, 2 months. I'm not sure.
All right. Well, what's the date of the purchase of the camera?
It was on May 1st, 2008.
Do you have any proof of that?
Yes, I do.
Let's see. What are you doing looking for a camera anyway? $451.33. And what's the 92?
That's the payments I made because she never made no payments to that camera.
What a shock, huh?
Your Honor, hello.
Hello.
She's lying. She's a liar. She did buy a camera for me. She bought me a camera for my birthday.
When's your birthday?
May 2nd.
May 2nd.
Yes.
And this was purchased on May 1st.
Yes, it was a gift
Is
from
her birthday May 2nd?
That's correct.
Okay.
It was a gift from her.
Why is she buying you a gift? She just met you. You're
Exactly.
both temps. Wait a minute. Don't tell me exactly. You're both temps. She's buying you after maybe 10 weeks a $450 gift.
Well,
Why?
first, when she first started working there, she was a temp. I was already with the company and I had been working there for 3 years. She was trying to get the company to hire her. We were both going to move to night shift and I was going to be her supervisor. I don't know if that made her think that I was going to say a good word for her to get hired, or I don't know. But when she gave me the camera, which was on May 2nd, I told her that it was an extravagant gift.
Well, you mean you weren't with her on May 1st when she bought it?
No, I was not. I don't even know where she
sure?
bought the camera from. Yes, I'm sure.
That's not true, Your Honor. I couldn't give her the gift on May 2nd because she asked for the day off. So I didn't see her on her birthday.
We were...
Wait a minute. What day of the week was May 2nd?
Friday. It was on a Friday.
And she wasn't at work that day?
No, because she asked for the day off.
Okay. And what'd she do that day?
I went into work. I don't know what she did.
No, she's lying.
When'd you get the camera?
May 2nd.
How?
We didn't go into work till 3:30 in the afternoon.
Are you two living together or something?
No.
Are you seeing each other?
No. I'm not gay. I like men.
It's okay. I mean, I'm just
That's what
trying
I said when she gave me the gift. When she gave it to me, I told her are you sure you're giving me this gift? And she said, yes, I'm giving it to you as a gift. And I said, are you sure you don't want me to write you a letter saying that I'm going to pay you back and sign it for you?
Did she say that?
No, she didn't, Your Honor.
Ooh, she's lying. She's lying.
Somebody's lying. I'm going to figure it out. Trust me.
So, Your Honor, so I called her on June 5th because that was her first monthly payment on the 5th. I called her. She said she didn't have the money if I could wait 1 more month. Next month, on July, I called her, never picked up my phone calls, left messages.
You didn't see her at work?
No, because I wasn't working no more.
Why?
Because, well, I was a temp, so they just used
No, but I thought you two had plans to do the night shift together. That's what I just heard.
No, we both got fired June 3rd, 2008.
Why?
We both got fired because my babysitter called me. I have an 11-month-old daughter. And I left because the babysitter called me and she was like, oh, well, I'm going to go with you. I don't want to stay here. And I said, well, what if they fire? She's like, I don't care. I'm only a temp.
If you're with a company for 3 years, why do they fire you if you have an
They fired
emergency?
me because I didn't clock out, and neither did she. I left and I didn't clock out.
Why are you two leaving together, not clocking out? What's this about?
Well, we left together because I was going to my daughter, and she always wanted to be with me, even when she wasn't. Her
Oh,
parents.
hogwash.
She did. She always wanted to be around me. She did. Her parents did not let her go nowhere. She always told her
Were
parents she
you
was
sweet
with
on
me.
her?
No.
Plaintiff Lilia Castro is suing her former friend for the cost of a camera she bought on store credit in her name as a favor to the defendant.
Who's got a police report?
I do, Your Honor.
For what?
Because she called me. I wrote her a letter, which I have it here.
Okay. Aha.
Because she would never answer my calls, neither my messages. So I fell forced to write her a letter. I dropped it off on Friday. Sunday morning, she called. My father picked up, which I have a statement from him too. She was being so rude. My family knows her, and I know her family too.
You do not know my family.
So what
How do they know her?
Because she would go over my house. My mother took care of her kid one day when she didn't have her babysitter, no one to take care of it. So, my mom offered to take care of her baby.
Her mother take care of your baby?
She took care of my baby one day. Yes, she did.
Why?
Because I didn't have a babysitter.
And Lilia recommended her mother?
Yes, because they have like 11, 12 kids. I don't know. It's like a house full.
You got this letter, she took it to you, to your
Yes, she
house?
did.
Okay, and did
She
you
left it in my
respond to
mailbox.
it? Did you respond to it?
Yes, I called her.
All right, I got it. Anything else you want to say?
Yeah, she's a liar. She's just a con
Well, you
artist.
said that.
She's just a con artist. That's all she is. Ask her about all the bad checks that she writes with her friends. She spent over $9,000 writing bad checks. Now you're trying to con artist me out of $400 when you
Do
gave
not
me a
look
gift.
at her.
When she gave me a gift, ask her about that.
All right, here. No, you don't tell me what to ask.
She's just.
Okay. Contract law, very simple. If someone gives someone an item and expects them to repay it, and there is an agreement reflecting that, then they basically have a contract. It doesn't have to be in writing, but it helps to be in writing. But if the camera was given as a gift, then there is no obligation to repay for what is a gift. So the court has to look at the two individuals and question, why would someone who's known another individual for about 10 weeks give a gift of $451? It doesn't make sense to me. But then on the other hand, what isn't making sense to me is the fact that these two seem to be like Flint together. Her baby gets sick, they leave work together, they don't sign out, they want to do the night shift, they're pals, her mother's taking care of her baby. She thinks that maybe she'll be her supervisor on the night shift, and therefore maybe she's trying to buy her with the gift. But here's the bottom line. Nobody's got evidence of anything. So your case is dismissed. Thank you.